Welcome back to Alternative Info AI. In today's digital age, relationships face new challenges. We're diving into the sensitive topic of virtual affairs, navigating cyber infidelity. We'll explore what it is, its impact, and how to address it. This is a crucial conversation for anyone in a relationship. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's get started.
In the digital age, the lines of infidelity have become blurred, leaving many questioning what constitutes betrayal in the virtual realm. Cyber infidelity involves engaging in emotionally or sexually charged interactions with someone other than one's partner through digital platforms. This can range from seemingly innocuous online friendships that cross emotional boundaries to explicit sexting and virtual sexual encounters. The emotional impact on relationships can be just as devastating as a physical affair. The secrecy, emotional intimacy, and betrayal of trust associated with cyber infidelity can inflict deep wounds on a relationship. Emotional affairs involve confiding in someone other than one's partner, sharing intimate details, and developing a deep emotional connection. Sexting involves sending sexually suggestive messages, photos, or videos, blurring the lines of physical intimacy and creating a sense of emotional and sexual connection outside the relationship. The reasons behind cyber infidelity are complex and multifaceted, often stemming from personal vulnerabilities, relationship dynamics, and the unique opportunities presented by the digital world. For some, cyber infidelity can be a way to seek out emotional validation and attention that may be lacking in their primary relationship. Relationship dissatisfaction, characterized by poor communication, lack of intimacy, or unresolved conflicts, can also contribute to cyber infidelity. When individuals feel emotionally disconnected or unfulfilled in their relationships, they may turn to the online world to fulfill their unmet needs for connection, excitement, or validation. The addictive nature of technology and the constant stimulation provided by social media can also play a role in cyber infidelity. The dopamine rush associated with likes, comments, and online interactions can create a sense of validation and excitement that can be difficult to resist. Suspecting a partner of cyber infidelity can be a distressing experience, often leaving individuals feeling hurt, confused, and unsure of how to approach the situation. Recognizing the warning signs can help you address your concerns and determine the best course of action. One of the most telling signs of cyber infidelity is a sudden change in your partner's online behavior. If your partner, who was once open about their online activities, becomes increasingly secretive about their phone or computer use, it could be a red flag. This might include becoming defensive when asked about their online activity, deleting messages or browser history, or constantly changing their passwords. Another warning sign is a noticeable decrease in your partner's emotional and physical intimacy with you. If your partner seems emotionally distant, withdrawn, or less interested in spending quality time together, it could be a sign that their emotional energy is being directed elsewhere. Pay attention to any changes in your partner's daily routine or habits, such as working late hours or spending an unusual amount of time away from home without a plausible explanation. Addressing cyber infidelity requires open and honest communication, a willingness to address underlying relationship issues, and a commitment to rebuilding trust. If you suspect your partner of cyber infidelity, it's crucial to approach the conversation with sensitivity and a desire to understand their perspective, while also setting clear boundaries for acceptable behavior in the future. Start by expressing your concerns calmly and clearly, explaining how their online behavior has made you feel. Avoid accusatory language, which can put your partner on the defensive and hinder productive communication. Instead, focus on your feelings and the impact their actions have had on you and the relationship. Rebuilding trust after cyber infidelity takes time, patience, and a commitment from both partners. This involves transparency in online activities, setting healthy boundaries around technology use, and actively working to strengthen the emotional connection within the relationship. Let us know in the comments how you feel about this subject, and if you got some value from this video, please leave us a like and maybe subscribe for more content.
Thank you for watching and being part of our journey.